Okay, let's do this. It's time for Wind Up Wednesday from Smile Portal. Don't tell the wife, but I've met a woman and I'm looking for a little hotel for a cheeky night away. Oh, hello, sweet cheeks. Just looking for a room for the night, please.
When for?
As soon as possible, please. I want to get away ASAP.
I have, yes.
Oh, that's fantastic. It'll be a double room. I hope this doesn't cause any offence or anything, but I want to get away. I've met a woman, and we just want to, I am married, but sod it. The life is for living, and it's just the way it is. Listen, I stayed in a hotel recently in Blackpool. Now, I've got to say, the towels were so thick that I couldn't close my suitcase. So how thick are your towels, sweetheart?
They're the same, you'll have plenty of room.
Oh, that's beautiful, that's beautiful. Listen, I've heard so many good things about this place. How much will you do it for me, darling?
Double room, you're looking at 55 a night.
Oh, that's beautiful. 50, you can't complain at that. 55 a night, flipping heck.
Yeah.
Oh, I paid nearly 90-odd pounds in Blackpool. 90! Yeah. Unbelievable. Now, the only thing I would say, sweet cheeks, is I've got a bit of an itch in the scrotum area. I'm not saying it's anything to do with the hotels I've stayed in the past. Do you know what I'm saying? But a big bug bit the little beetle, but the little beetle bit the big bug back. So I'm just making sure you've got no bed bugs.
No, obviously.
Oh, that's beautiful. I mean, obviously, the last thing I need is an overactive scrotum itching again. She hung up on me. What a shame. Sounded like a nice hotel. Wind Up Wednesday from Smile Portal.